This is Tutorials by Smiles, and I got tips for you today from DFS Digital Farming System. And the first one I'm going to go over is the water tower. And this is a water tower here. See how it has 10,000 gallons of water. Each trough right here carries 400 gallons of water. And the first tip is you need to be within 20 meters circularly around to get water for a field or for your animals, and also the troughs, like I said. And so you need there's a water tool they have that allows you to see how far it could go out. And let's see if I could find out water tool. Oh wait, I had to put DFS. And I am trying to find out. Should have had it ready, I guess. And can't find it. Maybe I don't know the exact name, but it shows these different colored blues that go out from where you're, say, the water tower, like this, the water tower. Then you go around, and then it goes up to 20 meters around, and that's how you get water for your right here, for the troughs right here, and for let's see the fields. This is what the fields look like over here. This is what it has to be within 20 meters circular. So that tower doesn't go all the way too far. So I put over here. You can put either another water tower, or this is like this one. This is a water barrel. This started off at 10,000 gallons, and each plant takes about 100 gallons each time you water them. You can see how it says right here. It says water 50%. That means it's 50% filled, so that'd be about 50 gallons. And then you'd have to touch it like this. Let's see if I can do it. I think I need to get closer with my avatar. Here's my avatar, little girl, smiles. You have to get close to it, and then see it says water, and that's where you water, and it will take it from a barrel or a tower. And you can see how it did that. It filled it up. It says water added 50%, and that's how you do that. And another tip that I got for you is each time that you give care, and you click on the care that's up here. Each time you do that, it'll do like a woohoo sound. Let's see if it'll do it. Woohoo! And each time you do a care, that it equals to 5 EP per click. And for the happiness of an animal or a plant, the plants are over here. These are plants right here. It'll give well, the plants don't have happiness, but they have water percentage, and then care 3 out of 3. And so each time you do a care, let's see, like this. Let's get on the plant right here. Gotta move my avatar. Oh, hey. Each time do a click. Let's see. Click on it. There it says water. Oh, that one's already been pruned enough. So when it's 3 out of 3, it's already been pruned enough. So we'll try a different one. Let's try the hops plant. Okay. And then see, I will click on this is the HUD for DFS, digital farming system. And here you click 1, that's 1 equals 5 EP, then 2, 3, then you're done. Plants have, you have to do that every once in a while. You have to give care to them, I think once a day at least. And it has to be 3, and like I said, it's 5 EP. EP is, so you can see this thing filling up. That's where EP goes, and EP is like energy you get used up, like from eating, or like we just did with the caring for the plants. And let's see, my next tip is each one click, one clicky click. Here, I'll get that for you. The clicky, show you what it looks like. Well, this is the most recent one. This is from Patreon. This is the golden clicky. This is the one they have now. And so each time you gotta sit on it. Say I'll sit on this one over here. Let's go over here. Sit. Oops, sorry, got my wings. Sit on this pig. And then you do a click. Click, click, click. Gotta click it till. Let's see if I did it right. It might be not. You have to do the care. Let's see. Okay, here's the brushing, it's called. And then you click the clicky, and that will give you 20%. Did it again, there's another 20%, and now it's at 80. That's the fullest it could go without the protein. And this clicky, I will put away now. And so one clicky click equals 20%. See how it has the happiness right here? This one has 47%. It will give you 20% happiness. And let's see what else next. Next, we got when you tend the water fields, you use up 5 EP unless you use a trowel. And let's see, I'll show you how it does that with the water. Okay, this is the field, and then it's like I said, it says you could use you could tend the fields for, see this when it's purple, it's got, that's when you tend them, and you gotta tend them at least I think once a day. And each, if you look at this, it says right here 500%. That's because I'm using a trowel. It's that thing that's, it gets attached. It looks like it's like a little shovel, and that gives you 500 times faster than regular. If you just regularly would tend a field, it would be like 1% like per second. So you would have to wait like, I think it's 100 seconds. But with the trowel, it does it about, I think it's 5 times as fast. Yeah, 500%. And so that you'll tend your fields much faster, which is way more convenient. Really slow if you just try to do them all. But what happened is with the trowel, I'll show you this right here. It's in my hand. Oh, it's right there. Come on, show it. There it goes. Right there, you can see it right by my hand, and that is what you use to make a field go 5 times as faster when you're tending them. You need to tend fields for them to grow, and you have to do it at least once a day. And the next, that was actually my next tip, was that it makes the tending 500,000%, so it's 5 times as faster. And each seed and plant has a different grow time. That's my other tip, and I'll show you where that's at. It shows it right here. It's status growing seed wheat. Like for this one, it's got 6 hours, 50 minutes, 20 seconds left. But each one has a set time that they take to grow. Like for example, hayseed, that is, let's see if I can find one. Hayseed, oh right here. This one usually takes about, I think, 2.5 days. It's already been growing, so it's only got 10 hours, 41 minutes, 10 seconds left. And so remember that every seed has a different grow time, so reminder about that. And there are these things called boosters that speed up your equipment. Your equipment is like say, let me see if I have any around here. The equipment would be like something like hay. I got one of those, the hay mills. Oh, female, I mean, not hay mill. Female. Let's see if I can find it. Male. Feed male. Yeah, here's one. The booster would be used on something like this to make it, say you got something in a really long time, you want to speed up, like I don't know, it's not on here, but like for example, there'd be, if you're making wine, maybe you want it faster. A booster is this little thing. I don't currently have one, but I used to have one. It is like the one I had was a bottle, and you can't click on it. Don't click on it before you want to use it, because it will go to the HUD. And but even so, like I said, it goes to the HUD, so you can use it later. And each the one I had was called a cauldron booster. It's for this thing called a cauldron. You use different things to cook things. Like this thing, the feed mill, you can make hay, and so the cauldron does different things too. So it'd make it go a cauldron 25% faster if you use the boost that I use. And so you can't click on them unless you want to use them right away. You could also do like this, instead of like touching it, you go edit. If you go to edit, you could take it in like this. That's what you would do with the booster, so you don't have to use it up right away. And if you want to resell it, the one I did, which I should have done, it was a booster worth like a lot of lindens, at least thousands, but I accidentally did that, so I learned the hard way. So I'll let you know that, so you don't have to go through that. Don't click on your booster until you want to use it. But if you do click on it, the good news is that it will be on your HUD. It stays loaded in the HUD. This is the HUD right here. And if you look, see, there's this part's for crafting. That's when you want to make recipes or make items like something, I'll say like fabric. And this is the care. The care is for the animals, and it is for the fields. Fields are over here. You see what they look like. Here's the fields over here. That's a field. And let's see what else I have on this. Harvesting takes about 15 seconds. And I will show you how to harvest something on here, just in case you didn't know. This is, when it's green like this, that means it is done growing. I'll show you how you go like this. You click on the field, push harvest, then you click on it again, and then it shows you on there, and that's what you're doing, harvesting. And it takes about 15 seconds. See, it's real fast. And then you can go off to another one and do that one. let's see, there's another one. It says water. There it says harvest. And like it shows it disappears, that it'll give you a seed, and see there's a seed, and it'll give you the corn basket that will be your corn that you harvested. I'll show you what it looks like. Oh, did it wrong. Spelling wrong. Corn basket. Okay, we'll drag one out to show you what it looks like. Here is a corn basket. And there you go. And the corn basket can be used. Let me see. I think you could eat it too. No. Wait, let me see. I think I did it wrong. Hold on. And let's see. Yeah, you only could cook with the corn. Some things it would have like use instead of cancel right here. That means you could eat it up without having to cook it more. And more than it being raw. So I'm gonna take my corn basket back, and let's see what else is there. If there any more, let's see my list here. Oh, I have some more. Okay, there is a thing called a fishing HUD. That's this thing right here. This is goes along with DFS, digital farm system. Right here I have 100. You see I have 130 bait loaded onto here, and the most it can load is 200. So I have 130. It could do 70 more, but after that it won't keep loading. It'll just stay about 200 until you use them. And so you can know about that. And I probably will do another video just on the fishing HUD alone and the DFS HUD. And okay, and the water fields. I don't have a water field, but I have a water pot. The water pot, I'll show you. A water field would be shaped like this, and it has some water in it. And you only could water things. Use the water field. And well, so here's a water plant right here. This is I think this is sugar cane. It's sugar cane. And the water pot works just like a field. You still have to water it. You have to put fertilizer and the seed, and it takes a long time to grow. Well, this one takes about, I think, a day or two. But each day you gotta put some. I think each day you gotta put some more water on it, and let it grow, and it'll be green text when it's finally done and you harvest it. So this is actually a water pot, but the seeds you could grow with the water pot and the water fields is sugar cane, rice, and cranberries. That's the one that I know that there is. If there might be more, I'm not sure if there is, but I'm pretty sure that there's not. No, actually. But you could always go to, if you need help, go to the group. This is, see where it is. The DFS Digital Farm System support. And then also if you want to sell things, there's DFS Digital Farm System Trade. So to ask questions, go to support. To sell things or even give something away free, if you want to give something away free to somebody in there, go to the trade. And I think that's all the tips I got. And I want to say thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe if you want more. And also see my next video. And I'm going to say bye for now.